What's up, kings and queens? Welcome back to Steven
and Dionie.
Bringing the energy
and the vibes
and the unshakable love. Don't forget to like
and comment
and share this out with your friends and family.
And subscribe to the Royal Vibes.
So let's get tuned in to the video.
We want to thank all our newcomers, all our new subscribers for coming in and tuning in. We are grateful. Welcome to our world.
Yeah, just tuned in to it, man. We want to always thank you guys for tuning in. Us love and support as the journey continues and keeps on growing. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Always remember to like, follows, and especially the old ones. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all keep supporting and showing the love and showing up. Y'all showing out. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, continue on. And as this journey grow, we grow. We a family, right? And we're going to keep it going. So let's go.
Well, guys, in this video today, we're going to be taking you guys along to this new, it's not a new grocery store, but it's new to us. So we're going to try it out. We seen it on TikTok and we was like, let's try it out. So we're going to take you guys along with us down to Orlando to the meat store and see what they have. And pick up some meat for us to cook for today.
Yeah. So
we don't know what we're really cooking today. So we're just going to go check it out. And then we're going to make that decision there of what we're going to cook.
Well, so just follow along. Let me know what you like. Drop the comments down below. And we'll leave the description of the place of where we're going to.
At the Caribbean, that's what it's called. The Caribbean Food Market. So where you get all your fresh meat and everything and produce. So it's called the Caribbean Meat Market. So stay tuned and let's go to the Caribbean Meat Market with us. Back from the Caribbean Food Market. It was so nice. Our first time there, and we find so much things, guys. So much different pottery and items that we needed, we got. And I think that could last us for a good month or two. So let's do this haul and let me show you guys what we got from the Caribbean Market. And if you guys ever in Orlando, maybe you guys could go ahead and visit them down in Orlando. Check them out. It's very reasonable. The prices are very reasonable. Check them out. This is what we have. Let's start over here. So I got some coconut water. I like these two brands. I got 2 of each. They got him some root drink, ginseng, I guess that's what they call it. And then he got this ginseng as well, energy drink. Love these breads, so he picked up his home country bread. His coffee. Ooh, this almost good. I also got me some fresh cashew. We love these in my country, so when I seen these like this, I was like, let me pick them up. I got that, and over here is some beef. Pick up some beef. It was only $3.58 for these beets. We're gonna make them with some ginger and stuff. Here is some oxtail. This is the oxtail. Pork shoulder over here. This is the chicken wings. And then we have some turkey meat. Some turkey. And these are pigtails. And then I got some kingfish. We got us some rice. As well. Also got us some coconut. I'm gonna make some coconut oil with these. So yeah, guys, that's our little haul for today. and stuff that we just went and picked up from the Caribbean food market down in Orlando, and it was really nice. So let's get into the cooking part of this video. Commercial. Catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, put it down, comment down below. Let us know if you like this video, if you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video, guys. Commercial.